Hey YouTube, today I am going to be adding some rhinestones to my 25 ACP handgun, and it's not loaded. See, there's no magazine inside. I'm just going to add some rhinestones right to this little pink area right here. So I will be using some E6000 glue. This glue is very strong, so make sure you have a window open and a fan on, circulating the air because it's pretty strong. I'm going to use rose-colored non-hot fix rhinestones. These are more better quality than the ones I've used in the past. I've used resin before, which have a nice little shine too, but not nearly as much as these non-hot fix rhinestones. These are more of a crystal glass. So I do have this wax pickup stick. It works wonders. The rhinestones don't continue to keep falling like it did with my silhouette pick-me-up tool, so I definitely prefer this one better. So what I'm doing is just taking my time and placing the stones on the outside of this little hand groove design you see there. The size rhinestones that I'm using for this particular project is 3mm. Or it's it also said SS12, so it's anywhere between 2.8 millimeters and 3 millimeters, which is the size that I use most frequently. I went ahead and sped this part up because you can pretty much see what I'm doing here. I'm just carefully adding a little amount of glue because you don't want it to dry up and get gooey on you. So you just want to add small sections of glue. Go ahead and pick up your stones, place it down, make sure it's flat and not just hovering in a big glob of glue, and just keep sticking and moving. And before you know it, you'll be finished. This literally took me probably about 20 minutes. As you can see here, I did finish the first side. It's very sparkly, it's very pretty, dainty, and girly. The exact look I was going for. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it over on the other side and get started working that side now. The original color of this firearm was, it's like a black, ashy black type of color, but this little platelet part was originally, I want to say gray or black. I'm not sure, but my husband painted this for me. There is a video on his channel if you check it out, Cap Customs. I should be able to link that exact video to my end screen if you want to see how to do something like this. I was trying to mock Sig Pink because I have a AR-15 pistol that I did a build on. You could check those videos out for that as well. So this does match my AR-15 pistol. Color for this spray paint that we purchased from Home Depot is, the brand is Rust-Oleum and the color is called Magenta. The brand of this firearm is a Phoenix Arms. It's very similar to a 22, but it's a 25 ACP. I didn't even know 25s existed, but this is a nice small pocket carry, purse carry, very compact. And you know, it serves its purpose. It's not my EDC, everyday carry, but maybe one day it will. I switch in and out. But I do like it. I like that the fact that this little platelet comes off. As you can see, I did not add any rhinestones to where that little screw is, because just in case this needs to come off or some maintenance needs to be done to the firearm, I don't want to compromise that being able to be removed. And you should allow at least 24 to 48 hours of drying time for the E6000 and the rhinestones. It does take a little bit of time to dry and to cure, so before you go doing any shooting of the firearm, please allow it to dry. This is the finished result. The sun had went down pretty much, but you still see the nice brightness of it. This is how it looked before. A stock photo I found online. This is how it looked after my husband painted this little platelet part. And this right here is how it looks right now. Locked and loaded, ready to go. Please be safe with your firearms. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.